Breaking news. We're here in Hinsdale Middle School where chorus teacher Mr. Tavis and a student who were working on choreography saw an alien join in on their dancing. The student then went into shock. Mr. Tavis called the police, who have now shut down the school. We were here to interview some members of the boys' basketball team for our blog. When the school went into lockdown, we decided to find out about this mysterious happening.
Lucky for us, the superintendent of schools agreed to let us interview the witness and investigate the mystery of the alien. We are on our way to interview Mr. Tavis, who is currently in his room watching over the shocked students. Mr. Tavis, can you describe what you saw?
Oh, well, sure. I was working on choreography for our next semester of chorus with a student who had come in before school. We were about halfway through one of our songs when I turned around and I saw a 5'4" blue alien doing the dance moves along with us. Then Robin saw the alien and almost fainted. She screamed and fell to the ground, and the alien ran off.
Do you have any idea what planet the alien was from?
Well, I guess Neptune, because he had silver shoes as if to keep his feet warm. I guess that with the awesome-looking cloud tranquilizer, he'd be from Neptune because I hear there are a lot of clouds up there. His afro seemed waterproof because the snow was just kind of sitting on his hair.
What do you think would explain his dark blue complexion?
Well, it's fairly cold on Neptune, regularly 170 degrees Celsius, so I guess his color absorbed the heat from any light possible.
Thank you so much for helping us get closer to solving this puzzle.
Of course.
Neptune was discovered in 1846 by Le Verrier after Alexis Bouvard had discovered the space where there needed to be a planet. It seems we have discovered another phenomenon, the alien from Neptune.
It does seem that way, doesn't it? But let's get all the facts before we go jumping to conclusions. We should interview Robin, the student who he had been with.
What do you have to say about this strange occurrence?
Well, I was dancing the dance Mr. Tavis was teaching me when I looked over and saw this blue thing standing there. I freaked out. It was so odd. And did you know that Neptune is 449,825,900 kilometers from the sun, and the rotational period is 17.7 hours, and that it takes 164.79 Earth years to revolve around the sun?
So, you know a lot about Neptune, so you'd be able to tell us whether or not the alien was from Neptune?
I think he was. His adaptation seemed fitting. There are a lot of clouds up there on Neptune, and, clouds come and go on the surface of Neptune, so they probably protect him. I'm doing a project on Neptune just for school.
Yes, I didn't know that. Just out of curiosity, how large is Neptune?
Well, Neptune is around 49,528 kilometers across. And before you ask, the atmosphere contains visible clouds, and there are many storms.
Fascinating. Do you happen to know the gravitational pull?
Yeah, it's 1.19 multiplied by your weight on Earth. So I weigh around 119 pounds because I weigh 100 pounds on Earth.
Why is Neptune called Neptune?
Well, Neptune was the Roman god of the sea, so I guess that because there appears to be a lot of seas on Neptune, that's why they called it that. Did you know that Neptune's blue?
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem.
We're here with Courtney Klein. Courtney, can you tell us what you saw?
I saw a tall blue alien run out of Mr. Tavis' room and a scream.
What are you doing here at school?
I'm organizing my locker right now.
Nice. Cassie, can you tell us what you saw?
I saw like a blue figure that just zoomed past.
And did you hear anything after that?
Like crash in the street.
What do you think it could have been?
Interesting facts about Neptune. It's the fourth largest planet in the solar system. It has the strongest wind flow. There are 3 prominent rings and 1 faint ring. And since it was discovered, it has not completed a full orbit. For now, it seems that this mystery will remain unsolved.
Thank you for watching our special on the planet Neptune.